first stage of manufacturing the dog collar and the drink bottle housing consists of 3D printing the outer casing. The internal structure consists of a honeycomb fill. This is to save weight and to reduce the overall cost of the product. You can now see a demonstration of the drink bottle housing being printed. For demonstration purposes, this is getting printed at half scale. You can now see the drink bottle housing being removed from the print platform. The next stage consists of removing the support material from the printed products. For higher strength and quality, this product is printed in 2 separate components. These are then later joined together. You can now see the 2 components of the drink bottle housing being glued together. This glue is a mixture of acetone and the same plastic used to make the product. You can now see a full-scale complete drink bottle housing.